Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. Thank you for joining me on the ninth day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's theme is happiness. Please find a comfortable seat on a chair or on the floor. Hands either on your knees or in your lap. If you feel comfortable, please close your eyes now. Starting with a deep breath in and out through the nose. And again, deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Last time, deep breath in through the nose and out through your nose. I would like you to try to remember a time when you felt really happy. I want you to try to remember where you were. Maybe you were driving. Maybe you were on a vacation. Try to remember this place and this time. Think about everything that was included. What did you see? What did you smell? What did you hear? Did you hear any animals, birds, maybe crickets? What do you see? Are you outdoors, maybe in a garden? What can you smell? Can you smell fresh cut lawn or grass? Can you smell pine trees or maybe oaks? How do you feel being in this place, this location? Can you feel the wind blow? Can you feel maybe grass under your fingers? I want you to look around into your mind or in your memory give this place a name so that you can quickly recall it. Whenever you're feeling down, you can recall this feeling. Try to burn this image into memory. Happiness, cultivating happiness, becoming more happiness really needs to be practiced. A lot of times we spend hours in a day doing things that maybe might not make you happy, such as a job, maybe a relationship. And before you might be in a rush to quit the job or the relationship, we have to make sure that we take time to do things that makes us happy. If you're at a job maybe 8 hours a day, you need to spend as much time as you can after work doing things that really make you happy. Maybe painting, drawing, taking walks or hiking. Make a list and find out things that make you happy. Imagine someone asking you, what makes you happy? Write those things down and try to schedule those activities within your day. Because the more we practice on becoming happy, the better we'll be at it. The more we practice being sad, the more, unfortunately, we'll become better at. It's very important. Happiness means different things to different people. But what I always say is happiness is the feeling that you want to feel at any given moment, despite currently how you feel. So strive for that feeling, because it's, of course, different for every one of us. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to be happy. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale in through your nose. Good. Once again, deep breath in through your nose and exhale in through your nose. So with this, remember that just like meditation, just like anything, it takes time. A plant needs water, sunlight. We need to feed ourselves to make sure that we can grow, which means taking time to do things that makes us happy. Great job today. Go ahead and open your eyes if you have them closed. Good job. See you tomorrow.